So to play second biggest number, just tap start game, and the way you play it is simple. You just pick the second biggest number of this on the screen before this red timer runs out. It ran out, so the game ended. Let's try again. So the game starts really simple with three numbers. In our case, 826 was the second biggest number. Let's try again. We have 12, 7, 39, and 336. This is the second biggest number. Let's tap on it. That's correct. We're moving to the next round. In our case, second biggest number is 822. Okay, and the more you play, the more complex the game becomes. I guess, okay, that was the bad number. 54, 657, and so on. So, like I said, the more games you play, the more rounds you play, the more complicated the game becomes. And if you pick the wrong number, the game ends.